Hey guys, this is I can do something for you. Don't pull fire alarms in public. Don't do it. If you pull them, you get responsible for people panicking and stuff like that. Like if you pull from the prank, you get in trouble. All right, so don't pull the fire alarm for no any reason. All right. Let me tell you something about not pulling the fire alarm. Number one, it's not a good idea. Number two, you have to go to jail for doing that. Number three, look, and that's it. And number three, no, or something like this. Don't put a toy car. Look, don't put a toy car up there. You don't put any toy cars on the pool station. Come on, guys. I know I'm better than that. So don't even open it. And do this. Choo, 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 choo. No, you don't ever do that. Oh my god, you better know than that. Like this. Don't ever shake it. Basically, you're in the store, or it's basically when you're at a hotel, you do this. What should I do? What should I do? Hey, look, that's a fire alarm. Let's pull it. Eep, 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 eep. No, you don't ever do that. That's illegal. Or if you're trying to pull it again, no, don't do it. You get $1 fine for pulling it. Okay? I better know this. If you're pulling the fire alarm, the exit tells you to go over there. Like this. Or don't create a fire and pull it like this. Come on, dude, better know than that. Like, don't pull it like that. No. Never ever do that. Like, don't ever pull the fire alarm. Look. Like, don't even key activated. If you key activated, the button will stay on, and if you open it and key activated, the alarm will suddenly go off. So don't do it. Or the fire alarm would go off. It sets the alarm off when you do that. So, yeah. I better know this. Or don't put a key on there. You don't put any fire alarm keys on the pull station. And don't put a key in the hole, too. No, don't do it. Okay? Or, look. It's the word you're at school. You do this. What should I do? What should I do? No, there's a fire alarm. Let's do it. Eep, eep, eep. Eep, eep, eep. Eep, eep, eep. Eep, eep, eep. No, you don't ever do that. Don't pull a fire alarm for no fun. You should be ashamed by yourself for pulling the fire alarm. Or, if you pull that fire alarm, the fire alarm would go off. Which is right there, a Gentex Commander 3 horn strobe. Take it off the wall, like this. You don't switch to candela, never. Or you don't put it to, what was it? 75 candela. Look. No, don't do it for fun. If you pull that fire alarm for no any reason, or switch to candela on the horn strobe, no, never ever do that. Or don't take this part out. No. No. Do not ever do that. Do that, you're gonna get in trouble. Or do not take the screw out. Don't just get the screw off of it. Or don't switch it, or don't put it to 30 candela. Or 15 candela. Like this. No, don't ever do that. You should be ashamed by yourself for doing this. Will you stop playing with fire alarm equipment instead? Well, you don't do it. Like this, look. You don't take the Gentex logo off the alarm. Like this, look. Don't do it. Like this. No, You don't ever do that. No, don't do it. Like this. Like put a toy car on the Gentex Commander 3. No. You don't put any toys or any fire alarms. Like a horse truck in the police station. But basically when you're in the school, in the cafeteria, you say, what should I do? What should I do? Oh, there's a fire alarm. Let's pull it. Eep, 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 eep. No, no. No. You don't pull it. Don't ever pull the fire alarm for no any reason. Or don't put a toy car in the back box. No. No. You should not ever pull the fire alarm. If you pull it, that'd be a shame on you. Never. Never ever pull the fire alarm. Come on, guys. You better know than you better know than that. You better. You be better than that. But pulling the fire alarm. If you see a key on the lock, on the fire alarm lock, you leave it alone. Don't pull the fire alarm if there's no fire. Or let's say in Miami school, in Miami school, you went, I'm gonna pull the fire alarm at school. No. Don't pull the fire alarm, there's no fire. If you pull it, there's no fire, you're gonna get expelled. And also, you're gonna have to go to prison. Also think of that. Or don't take the strobe off the alarm, don't take the horn off, don't switch the candela like it said, don't take the fire lantern off of it, no. Don't tamper with fire alarm equipment. Sorry. You don't ever punch the alarm, don't hit it, or don't throw a toy car at the police station like this, or don't do this. You don't ever ride a toy car in the police station. Like this, look. No. Absolutely not. Or don't even key activate it. If you key activate it, it literally sets the fire alarm off. I don't want you to do that. It's illegal. You're gonna pay $1 fine if you do that. Okay? Or don't take the bat box off the alarm either. Or let's say at Chili's at the restaurant, they went, I'm gonna pull the fire alarm. Eep, 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 eep. No, You don't ever do that. You should be ashamed by yourself for pulling the fire alarm. Only when there's a fire you pull it. When there's smoking you pull it, but no. Or at home, probably. If you have your own fire alarm at home, it's fine. If you conduct the fire drill by your principal, it's fine. If you want you're gonna have an announcement saying we're gonna do a fire drill, it's fine. Or if you have your own fire alarm, police station at home is okay. Or in a hotel, it's okay. But if you're trying to do it for a prank, no. You don't ever do that. Like, don't put, if it's the pull down single action, you leave it alone. Don't take the handle off the alarm either. Or don't pull it. You leave this fire alarm alone. You leave the fire alarm the way it is. Okay? These are life safety devices. Okay? Okay? Okay, all of you know this. Blowing the fire alarm is illegal. If you pull the fire alarm, you need cause for a panic. Also think of that. Okay? Don't ever pull the fire alarm as a plank. Don't pull the fire alarm and don't take the logo off the alarm either. No. Don't pull the fire alarm. No. Don't take the fire alarm off the wall. Or don't take the hold on. Don't take the You don't take the sticker, the model sticker off the alarm. You'll leave this fire alarm. You'll leave it alone. Don't ever pull the fire alarm. Or don't take this off either. Or don't take a screwdriver and open it. No. Don't do it. Or do not do this. No. You leave this fire alarm alone. Yeah, you leave this fire alarm alone the way it is. Okay? All of you better know this, for pulling the fire alarm is illegal. Okay? I have enough with this. If you see, I see a fire alarm, I see one person pulling the fire alarm at school. Someone like this. Oh, do. And when the alarm and the church experience went, no. Stop pulling the fire alarm. You don't ever do that. Or do not touch the fire danger. What in Alexi's heart is wrong with you for pulling the freaking fire alarm? Or don't do this. Look. No. You don't let the toy car pull in the fire alarm for nothing. Okay? Don't ever shake it. You leave this fire alarm alone. Don't pull it. Okay? Like, don't pull it like this. Look. No. You better stop pulling the fire alarm for no any reason. Listen, you're gonna get a U.S. president mad at you. You're gonna get the fire department will be mad at you, and also this, your parents gonna get mad at you. Yeah, because I know who did the responsible. Who did. Okay. Don't pull the fire alarm because there's no emergency. Oh, like this. Don't pull it. Can't believe it pulled the fire alarm for no any reason. Okay? Thank you for watching.